Are you the proud owner of a new boat? Whether you're planning on cruising the ocean or fishing in a lake, it's important to protect your investment with boat insurance. What is boat insurance? Boat insurance is a type of insurance policy designed to protect you financially in the event of an accident or damage to your boat. Just like car insurance, boat insurance typically covers liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. Liability coverage is required by law in most states and covers damages or injuries you cause to other people or property while operating your boat. Collision coverage covers damage to your boat if you collide with another boat or object, such as a dock. Comprehensive coverage covers other types of damage, such as theft, vandalism, or weather-related damage. Is boat insurance worth getting? The short answer is yes. Boat insurance is worth getting. While it's not legally required in all states, having boat insurance can protect you from costly expenses if something goes wrong. For example, if you accidentally crash into another boat and cause damage, you could be responsible for paying for the repairs or replacement out of your own pocket. Boat insurance can help cover those costs, potentially saving you thousands of dollars. Additionally, some marinas and yacht clubs require proof of insurance before allowing you to dock your boat. Without insurance, you may not be able to access certain marinas or participate in certain events. Lastly, boat insurance can give you peace of mind while out on the water. Boating can be unpredictable, and knowing you're protected financially in case of an accident or damage can make all the difference. What is boat insurance good for? Boat insurance is good for a variety of situations. Here are a few examples. Accidents. If you're involved in an accident on the water, boat insurance can help cover damages to your boat, as well as damages or injuries to other people or property. Theft or vandalism. Unfortunately, boats can be a target for theft or vandalism. Boat insurance can help cover the cost of repairs or replacement if your boat is stolen or vandalized. Natural disasters. Severe weather can cause significant damage to your boat. Boat insurance can help cover repairs or replacement if your boat is damaged in a hurricane, tornado, or other natural disaster. Liability. As mentioned earlier, liability coverage is required by law in most states. If you cause damage to another person or their property while operating your boat, liability coverage can help cover the cost of damages or injuries. Choosing the right boat insurance policy. When it comes to choosing a boat insurance policy, it's important to shop around and compare quotes from different providers. Consider factors such as coverage limits, deductibles, and exclusions when selecting a policy. You may also want to consider adding additional coverage, such as personal property coverage for items on your boat, or towing coverage in case your boat breaks down on the water. Boat insurance is a valuable investment for any boat owner. It can protect you financially in case of an accident or damage, give you access to certain marinas or events, and provide peace of mind while out on the water. Be sure to shop around and compare policies to find the one that's right for you and your boat.